Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Absolutely. Always ready to get into the weeds a bit.
Today we're looking at something that'll resonate with anyone who spends any time in spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets. Oh, you mean the backbone of the modern world?
Yeah, pretty
What?
much. But seriously, folks, we're talking Excel shortcuts, specifically one that you sent us some notes about.
Yes, this one's a good one. Super practical, Can really save you some headaches.
All right, well, no more teasing then. Let's just lay it out there. Curl plus Shift plus U. See? Easy to remember.
Well, the combo itself is simple enough, but what it does, that's where the magic happens.
Right, because on the surface it sounds almost too basic. It expands the formula bar. So what?
So have you ever had one of those formulas that just goes on forever? Nested if statements, complex calculations?
Ugh, don't even remind me. Trying to scroll through those in that tiny little formula bar, it's like trying to read a novel through a keyhole.
Exactly. And that's where our friend Serol plus Shift plus U comes in. Hit that combo and boom, the formula bar expands, gives you a full, glorious view of that monster formula.
Okay, I see where you're going with this. Suddenly, instead of squinting and scrolling, you can see the entire structure of the formula.
Precisely. Every single element, every parenthesis, every function, all laid out in front of you.
That's going to make troubleshooting a whole lot easier, right? Instead of hunting for a missing comma in that tiny little window.
Oh, absolutely. It's night and day. You can actually trace the logic of the formula, see how the different parts interact. If there's an error, it's way easier to spot.
So it's not just about seeing the whole formula, it's about seeing the logic more clearly.
Exactly. And you know what's even better? You're not stuck with the expanded view. Need to see more of your spreadsheet. Just hit Scroll plus Shift plus U again to collapse it back down.
So you're in control. That's great. I can already tell this is going to be a lifesaver.
I'm telling you, this one shortcut can transform your Excel experience. No more formula frustration.
Seriously though, this is why I love these deep dives. We find these little hidden gems that can make such a big difference.
And there are so many more out there. Excel's just full of these time-saving tricks. Once you start digging, you'll be amazed at what you can find.
All right, everyone. So next time you're wrestling with a massive formula, remember, Ctrl plus Shift plus U. You're welcome.
Happy spreadsheeting!